eyes, lips, face. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I thought it would be a bit of fun to do a full face of E.L.F. They are one of my favorite brands ever. They're also super affordable. And yes, I call it E.L.F. because it stands for eyes, lips, face. So since fall is here, I thought I just might as well go ahead and make this video a fall makeup tutorial using only E.L.F. I've got my Beetlejuice Strange and Unusual sweatshirt on. Now I will say there are a few things that I do not have of E.L.F. I don't have a mascara, a brow gel, or a setting powder, but I will be using affordable products in place of that since I don't have actual E.L.F. products. So without further ado, if you guys are interested in seeing a full face of E.L.F. and also a little fall makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. So I've been getting very used to doing my brows before the rest of my makeup, so I'm going to go ahead and do my brows first. To do my brows, I'm going to be using the E.L.F. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I absolutely love this brow pencil because it has a spoolie on the other end, which is amazing. And it's so easy to use, it's so affordable, it's only $2. It's an amazing product and it gives you that feathery brow look. I mean, my brows are still a little bold, but they're mostly feathery. So in place of an E.L.F. brow mascara, I'm going to be using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara because this one is actually my favorite. So today I'm going to be using the E.L.F. Retro Paradise, and I'm also going to be using the E.L.F. Bite Size in Cream and Sugar. Since I don't want this video to be forever long, I'm going to go off camera, create the eye look, and then I'll recreate it for you guys. So give me a minute. Alright, so I've got the eye look all set up. I think it's gorgeous. And now I'm going to recreate it for you guys. Might want to put concealer on first. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes for now. Now I'm going to go clean up this mess that I've made and on my hand, and I will be right back to start with the face. I've cleaned up my face a little bit. Now, to prime my skin, I'm going to be using the Luminous Putty Primer. It's slightly moisturizing. It does have hyaluronic acid in it. Now, for foundation, it's probably pretty obvious. I'm going to take the Flawless Finish foundation. Look at that. Mine is so gross. It's fine. I've just been leaning more towards like sort of BB creams and stuff like that, and this is a little bit more coverage than that, and so I'm just gonna use I'd say a little bit, but I've already put a lot more than I would have liked to. I'm going to take my Peachy blender to blend that in. I will bring my face back to life later. For concealer, can you guys guess? Do you already know? Probably. The Hydrating Camo Concealer, my absolute favorite concealer of all time. Literally, if they make a hydrating camo foundation, it's literally over for all the other drugstore foundations. So like I said, I don't have an E.L.F powder, so I'm quickly off camera going to powder my face with the Believe Beauty Matte Blur powder. So for blush and bronzer, I'm going to be using the Primer Infused ones. For bronzer, I have the shade Forever Sunkissed, and for the blush, I'm going to be using the shade Always Peachy. This is the shade Always Peachy. The blush is quite pigmented. I definitely say be careful with it. This blush probably is a slight bit too dark for my skin tone, but I love it and wear it anyway. For highlighter, literally one of my favorite E.L.F products ever is the Glow Gleam Beam palette. Oh my goodness, I love this. Today I'm going to be taking this, which is one of the metallic shades. Like, just watch this magic. Look at that. Gorgeous. We're talking like Ofra levels good. Now before I finish my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the E.L.F Dewy Setting Mist. Mine is about empty. I do have a new one that I just bought, but I want to make sure I get all the use out of this one. Always pat that in. So it really just melts all the products together. And I use the side of my sponge that I didn't already use so that I'm not like putting on more foundation and concealer. I'm just patting it out. So to finish up the eyes, I'm just going to run the shade Sandy Bum all along my lower lash line and then take the shade Coconut and put that really close to my lashes. As you guys can probably see, I'm not taking it all the way in. I'm just taking it like 3/4 of the way. And then taking the teeny tiniest little pencil brush, I'm going to take the shade Coconut and I'm just going to put that right out here. Now for liner, I am going to do my eyeliner off camera. So I do have a winged eyeliner tutorial and I will link it down below. It is using the E.L.F Expert Liquid Liner, which is what I'm going to be using today. It is the very first eyeliner that I ever used, ever. And I still love using it to this day. That's so many years later. I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick and I'll be back. So my eyeliner got a little bit messed up on this side because it's very bright and I kept trying to like do this so I could see it. And so it is a little bit messed up, but it's not too bad. I am going to go ahead and do my mascara also off camera, but I just want to come on here and tell you guys that I definitely think that lashes would like make this look, but I'm not going to put on lashes, but I'm going to go ahead and take the Essence Lash Princess mascara, do it off camera, and you guys will see what it looks like with just a good mascara. So this is what the eye look looks like with just a good mascara. I definitely think I can pull it off. I definitely think it looks really nice and smoky with just a good mascara. But if you are good at doing lashes or you want to try lashes, you know, go ahead and add lashes to this look. It would definitely make it look more like something I like to do that I don't always do, but I like to do it sometimes. I have a mole, like I have a beauty mark right here. And so sometimes I like to take whatever I'm using on my brows and just color it in. I don't always do that, but sometimes I like to do that, and today I feel like I need it. Now for lips, the last step, I'm super excited. I'm going to be using the E.L.F Nabela Noor Lip Cocktail. So we've got the lip liner and the lipstick. I absolutely love the packaging to this. It's beautiful. You guys want to hear a funny story? So, I don't know why, but I was thinking about this when I was doing my mascara. I never was that interested in makeup until I started watching Marilyn Manson music videos. The ever makeup thing I ever did was from the mob scene. I did the Rockettes makeup. So, just an interesting little tidbit, the first person that ever got me into makeup was actually Marilyn Manson. And now here we are. If anyone would have told like 14-year-old me that I would be creating makeup looks on the internet and like they weren't Marilyn Manson related, I'd be like, what are you talking about? My hands are all jittery from the coffee I had earlier. Like, I definitely made it way too strong, but I love this whole look. Oh yes, I feel like $1,000,000. And I will put the total cost right here of how much this full face cost. I mean, I'm sure it's still a pretty penny, but it's not like hundreds of dollars. Here's a close-up of how the look turned out. I love it. Oh my goodness. It just reminds me of how much I love E.L.F as a brand. They're amazing. They're affordable. They create these beautiful products. I mean, come on. Like, the eyeshadow is stunning. I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun doing this, and I feel like this is like such a nice go-to, simple, yet still smoky fall look. I know I love summer. Like, I love summer, but I'm kind of really excited for fall and to wear sweaters again. Sometime either next month or early November, I'm going to be doing a fall haul. I'm so excited to get a bunch of nice cozy fall clothes. Super excited, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have a fall clothing haul coming up. If you guys don't have anything from E.L.F, you definitely need to go check them out. I will have all the products used today linked below, and yeah, check them out for sure. E.L.F is such an amazing brand. I love them so much. I will never stop supporting E.L.F ever. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. I would really appreciate that. My channel is small and growing, and I'd really appreciate it if you would join my little family that I'm creating here. I post videos every single Saturday, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye!